Instant Courier Rates, your urgent and time-sensitive package delivery solution provider. Why Timeliness Matters, the hidden costs of late deliveries. Hi everyone, welcome back to... Today we're tackling a critical topic. Why timeliness matters and how late deliveries can secretly drain your business's resources and reputation. If your business depends on urgent package deliveries, whether in healthcare, manufacturing, or business services, you'll want to hear how our SaaS courier management solution can make a difference. Cost #1: Financial losses. Late deliveries can lead to penalties, refunds, and even loss of future business. Our SaaS platform uses AI-powered route optimization to prevent delays and ensure on-time deliveries every time. Cost #2: Damaged reputation. Missed deadlines can erode customer trust and brand loyalty. With real-time tracking and automated updates, our solution keeps your clients informed, reducing complaints and increasing satisfaction. Cost #3: Operational inefficiencies. A single late delivery can throw off an entire schedule, increasing overtime and stress for your team. Our platform streamlines scheduling so your team can focus on efficiency, not firefighting. Cost #4: Regulatory risks. In industries like healthcare, delays could mean non-compliance with critical regulations. Our software ensures that urgent deliveries meet strict timeframes, keeping you compliant and worry-free. Cost #5: Missed opportunities. Late deliveries can cause lost sales or harm relationships with partners. With proactive delivery management, our SaaS solution positions you as a reliable partner, opening doors to more business opportunities. Timely deliveries are more than just a nice-to-have. They're essential to your business's success. Late deliveries can cost you money, trust, and opportunities, but they don't have to. With our SaaS courier management solution, you can stay ahead of the clock and deliver excellence every time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How do late deliveries impact your business? Go to instantcourierrates.com for free quotes on your next delivery.